Number 1. Alignment is the relation of parts of the whole of writing. Alignment or line of individual letters in words to the baseline. Next is angular forms. Sharp, straight strokes that are made by stopping the pen and changing direction before continuing. Arcade forms. Forms that look like arcs, rounded or curved line above. Next one is characteristics. Any property or mark which distinguish and document examination, mission, commonly called to us the identifying details. Next one is form. The writer's chosen writing style. Form. Wait sa ano na so. So the writer's chosen writing style. Garland forms. A connected or rounded form. A curved line at the bottom. Gestalt. Gestalt. A complete or whole handwriting feature as correctly executed. Graphoanalysis. Study of handwriting based on the two fundamental strokes, the curved and the straight stroke. Graphometry. Analysis by comparison and measurement of handwriting. Graph, grapho, graph, Graphology. The art of determining character, disposition, and amplitude of the person from the study of handwriting. It has been the scientific study, analysis of handwriting, especially with reference to forgeries and questions document. This one is hand lettering. Any disconnected style of writing in which each letter is written separately, also called hand printing. Left hand writing. Wrong handwriting. Letter space. The degree of space left between letters. Line direction. Movement of the baseline along, slant, up, down, or straight across the page. Line quality. The overall character of all the ink lines from the beginning of the ending strokes derived from a combination of factors including skill, speed, rhythm, freedom of movements, shading, and pen position. This one is line space. The degree of space left between lines. Manuscript writing. A disconnected form of script of semi-script writing as the first step of learning to write. Margins. The degree of space left around the writing on all four sides. Microscopic examination. Any study or examination which is made with a microscope in order to discover minute details. Movement. The manner in which the writing pen instrument is mobilized by finger, hand, forearm, or whole arm. Natural writing. Any writing executed normally without any attempt to control or by disguise. Natural variation. These are normal or usual deviation found between repeated specimens of any individual's handwriting. Pen emphasis, the act of intermittently forcing the pen against the paper surface with increased writing pressure. pen hold, the place where the writer grasps the barrel of the pen and the angle of which he holds it. This one is pen pressure, the average force which the pen contacts on the surface paper. Print script, a creative and individualized combination of printing and cursive writing. Proportion or ratio. The size relation between the tall and the short letter is referred as the ratio of writing. Next one is quality. A distinct or peculiar character along the related to the writing movement itself. And rhythm. The element of the writing movement which is marked by regular 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 next so shading is the widening of the ink strokes due to the added pressure on the flexible pen point or to the use of a stub pen. Significant writing habit. Any characteristic of handwriting is sufficiently uncommon and well fixed to serve as the fundamental point in the identification. Sim- Simplification, eliminating extra or superfluous strokes from the copybook model. Size may refer to the overall dimension of the writing or the proportions between zones. Skill, its relative to degree of ability or proficiency being possessed by the individual's persons. This one is slope or slant, the angle or inclination of the axis of the letters relative to the baseline. Speed of writing, the rate or velocity in the execution of writing. Speed or speedy writing, an execution of writing being interpreted as slow, moderate, or rapid. System of writing, the combination of the basic design of letters and the writing movement as taught in school. Next one is the tension. Tension is the degree of force exerted in the pen compared to the degree of relaxation. 3D form and indefinite connectives from that look flat and wavy. Variability, the degree to which the writing changes from modification of copybook model. Variation, the result of changes. Word space, the amount of space between words. Writing condition, the physical and mental state capacity of the writer to enable execute handwriting. This one is wrong-handed writing. Any writing executed with a proper opposite hand that normally used. Writing impulse, the result of the pen touching down on the paper and moving across the page until it's raised from the paper.